Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. Today we are changing the transmission fluid or the hydraulic fluid on the John Deere X485, and it's a really simple operation. Basically, you have a drain plug right here and then a filter right there, and so that's all we're going to do is take those two off, drain it out, and then your fill hole is up here above the seat. Throw that in there. Oops, there go my glasses. And now the only bad thing is I think this is a very slow fill, so we'll pop that so it doesn't go super slow. You can also pop this after you get it going, so then you don't dump as much on you too. So, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to do it right now. Okay, so you want to have the pan way back here. Like, it seems like you could just have it up here, right, where it's coming out. But this thing shoots out like crazy. Literally shoots out to about here, like well past the hitch, all the way from right there. So, or, you know, that was probably because I opened that up. So if you don't open that up, you're probably fine. But if you do open that up, it will shoot out significantly, you know, past the hitch area. So it's about done right now, and I did get a little bit on there, as you can see. So we'll get this finished up, swap out the filter, and get her filled up. Okay, as you can see, that came off pretty easily. You want to make sure that area is clean, or at least relatively clean, before you do it. Probably could have cleaned this up a little bit better, but look at all that garbage. Anyway, I'll get to that eventually, but it's clean around there, so that's good. We'll put the new filter on and then fill her up. So let me address this real quick. I mean, certainly if you want to leave a comment, you can, but I'm using a Traveler Premium Hydraulic Fluid, which is J20C compatible, and I'm not going to really get into a debate with anybody. If I've used it for years in many of my garden tractors without any issues, and the J20D, which is low vis, does not have a compatible other brand. Plus, it's pretty much unnecessary in Florida, as it generally does not get below 32. Low vis is only good up to 104. So there was actually a week last year where we had 4 days in a row that was above 104. I was probably unlikely to use the tractor during those days because it was so hot outside, but I'm also equally unlikely to use the tractor when it's below 32. So anyway, I mean, you can write comments down if you want, but I mean, I've chosen to use this, and I use it on everything except for the one tractor I have a warranty on, when I might switch over after I'm done the warranty on that, so we'll see. But anyways, if this video was useful or helpful for you, or you liked it, you can hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you wanted to see more videos about the John Deere garden tractors or John Deere 1 Series, you can click the subscribe button as well. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.